Just sharing this little video because on Saturday I was asked about doing a blanket stitch and I had a complete blank. So got my needle and thread. You want to bring your needle up from the bottom, so I'm going to edge it around the little house here. Okay, so I've got a knot in the back, and then you want to hold the thread and put the needle down here, bring it up, and you're looping the thread behind the needle. Oops. Like so. Hopefully that makes sense. So again, you're going to hold the thread up here, put your needle down here, bring it up here, and make sure the thread is behind the needle and pull it through. And as you can see, that is what's creating your blanket stitch. Down, up, and pull it through. And if you want to practice, this is a good way to do it. If you draw 2 lines on a piece of fabric and just practice going by the letters. So up and out through A, then down through B, but the loop on C. So this would be A, holding the loop, going down through B, up through C, but the loop, oops, behind. I hope that makes sense.